What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Bobby G's Corner. And today we are continuing our quest, yes, our journey to find the best case for the Z Fold 8. Now, with this, we're going to branch off in the saga of the thin, minimal cases, specifically Aramid fiber. And that's what you see right here in front of you guys. It's already out of the box. But the main thing I want to do today is put it through the normal paces of the Bobby G Corner and then give you my thoughts and my first impressions on if I feel like who this would be a best fit for, who I feel like it wouldn't be a fit for, all that good stuff. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and take a look around this case to start off with, okay? And I'm going to give you guys some beautiful commentary as we go on or go around. So what we're starting off with first is the top-down view. And you guys can see right here, there is going to be good alignment with our case along this edge of the front and the back panel right there and the hinge. Okay. There's your microphones right there, your speaker opening. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that. Is that good alignment or is it a little bit off? So that's your top view. This is going to be your side view right here. You've got a nice good opening for your volume up, volume down, and your fingerprint reader. Okay, so there's going to be your sides. In case you're wondering, why do I have this ugly sticker here? Well, guys, to be honest with you, it's because I haven't decided if I'm going to keep this case or not. Because this case is $70. Yeah, $70, okay? And it says no returns if I remove this sticker. So before we commit, hey, I'm just keeping it real with y'all, okay? So there's going to be our side view. Then we've got our bottom view right here, guys. This is going to be your USB opening, nice and big right there. Your speaker, your microphone alignment as well for you guys, okay? This is going to be your side. So with this case in particular, you are going to have 100% open hinge, okay? So no hinge protection on this one. And that's because this case is for minimal protection, okay? So we're going for a minimal protection setup. Front, it's going to tell you guys right here, I do have a D brand screen protector, okay? So I do have a D brand screen protector, and I'm actually happy to report that unlike other cases on the market, this D brand screen protector is playing very well with this AULUMU case, especially this front panel. The alignment looks good right here, so A-OK on that. Then let's look at the back. Now this is going to be the main claim to fame for this case from AULUMU. I've got the specs pulled up over here to the side. Some of the stuff that they want to tote about is the 1500D Aramid fiber. So that's going to be like the weave pattern. And from my understanding how tight the weave pattern is, I'm not an expert on that, so I'm not going to lie to you guys. Then, of course, with this, again, the main claim to fame that AULUMU does is they put these little metal pieces. So this is an aluminum alloy camera frame. And on the inside of this case, when we weigh it at the very end, I'm going to show you guys the superconductive silicone coolant. There's a little pad on the inside that helps to pull heat from the back of the phone to this aluminum. And then that helps to keep the phone cool. So it's faster heat release is the claim to fame for this one. Now, this is going to be, again, a very expensive case. Now, they call it slim, light, but strong. Now, they're going to say it weighs 27 grams. When I did my testing kind of off camera, I actually got it closer to 26 grams, okay? And here's what's really cool about this aluminum alloy camera frame right here. It shows you real time what the temperature is. So, for example, right now, if you guys can see, that's kind of like a red. That's normal operating temperature, so red. And then as the temperature increases or you're using the phone, it goes to like kind of like a orangish color. That's going to be warming up. And then yellow is when it's really warm or really hot. So kind of just let you know real time what your phone is working with. Okay, so I think that was all around. We got top, side, bottom, front, fit, and look. And then the back, and then kind of like their claim to fame things on this AULUMU case. I do like this little slit design. It is pretty legit. It's got some writing on there. CPU cooling holes is what they call this right here. So let's go ahead and put it through our 3 exclusive Bobby G channel tests. And then we'll do the weigh at the very end. So you're gonna have to wait around for that for us to weigh it and see how much it is in real world. But let's start off with our USB-C. Right here, we got our USB-C. And this has got a very large opening. So to be honest, I'm not worried about this at all fitting, but we gotta test it. And y'all can see right there, our USB is going to have tons and tons and tons of room to grow. It's got a very large opening. So USB-C fit, especially if you got a big Chungus level charger, no problems there. What about our wireless, AKA MagSafe accessory? Will it charge? Will there be any transfer on there? Okay, so let's go ahead and bring this in. So wireless is gonna work on there very well, okay? And we're gonna see if we get any transfer. Y'all tell me. Now in person, I do not see this case actually picking up any body oils or fingerprints for me so far. And I don't see any transfer from that wireless piece. So far, in my opinion, I think we're off to a really good start. So USB-C on point, wireless on point. Yeah, I know the tried and true test of magnet strength. That is our Camolo tripod right here. Okay, our phone tripod. So let's get that on. Let's shake the living crap out of this. All right, and y'all see right there, AULUMU, you passed the Bobby G shake and bake test for this case right here. So very strong magnets. It was able to hold on to our accessory without any problem right there. So really and truly, guys, it passed all of my normal tests. Now, let me give you guys some real world feedback in person live with the fit. Okay, the fit in particular. As I mentioned, kind of in my opinion, some of the holes, like for the microphone, are going to be off center. It's a weird me thing, but it's something that I noticed. Okay, it's like these microphone holes are going to be off center. Speaker looks good on the top. Now, with the front and back panel around the hinge, those line up pretty good, pretty snug right there. Let's see here. On the side, we look good with our opening for our buttons, so no issue there. Now, on the bottom right here, again, these microphone holes are a little bit off center. I'm just keeping it real with you guys. And around my particular case with the USB-C opening, it's that Aramid fiber feels a little rough. Okay, so a little bit rough around the USB-C opening on my case. And then the speaker on the bottom, it looks okay to me. Y'all tell me on camera, what does the alignment look? Now for the hinge portion right here, front and back panel, those do look pretty good. This back panel is just slightly off with the cover and the back panel, so just something worth mentioning. Again, guys, this case is fully open hinge, so remember, keep that in mind, okay? No hinge protection on this particular case. That was my first impressions, my first opinions, guys, my observations. Other than that, this case, again, seems to me so far to be pretty solid. The fit looks good on there. Now, let me give you my final thoughts of who I feel like this is going to be a good fit for, okay? Now, this is a $70 case, so it is not cheap. Who is going to spend this 70 bucks? Well, I'm going to tell you again, this is going to be for somebody, in my opinion, that wants a more minimal case, more thin case, a lighter case. Okay, that's going to be the person that seeks out this particular one from AULUMU. And you like the little cool, I don't want to say gimmicky, but you know, the kind of shtick, the stuff that they sell with their product. Now, this is not for the person that wants an ultra protective case that doesn't care about bulk, that doesn't care about weight. This is not the one for you. You'd want to look at something more like the D brand grip case. That's a lot more protective, a lot more bulky. I'll link the video somewhere for you guys to go check that out, see if that's more your speed. But all in all, it does feel really good in hand. I do like the Aramid fiber texture on this particular case. Again, so far while we're filming this video, I haven't seen it pick up any body oils or fingerprints, and I've been touching all over this. So it's been really good right there. The camera protection is really good, guys. All in all, I think this is a solid case. Like, I really do. I do think this is a really solid case, especially if you're looking for an Aramid fiber. All right, if you guys stuck around this far, I did promise you that I would do a little weigh-in for you guys. because I did want to show you that I'm off about a gram from what AULUMU was quoting for this weight of this case. Let me show you guys. So the back panel itself is going to be, let's see right there, 23 grams. And this little front piece right here is going to add another 3 grams on there. So on AULUMU's website, they say 27 grams for the case. I'm coming in at 26. Could be a margin of error thing, but I did want to show you guys the weight that I'm getting live on this case. Regardless, guys, to be honest with you, it's lightweight, so it's adding very minimal weight to your phone. All right, guys, enough rambling. If you made it this far, guys, do me a huge favor. Let's hype this video. Let's like, let's comment. I am really trying to push for 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I cannot do that without you guys, my viewers. So share this with somebody. Z Fold 8 season right now. People are looking for cases. They're looking for opinions from someone that's not, not in somebody's pocket, right? I spent my own money to get this case. The opinions are my own. They're real, they're raw, and they're unfiltered. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are, what your opinions, and I'll catch you in the next video. We look at some more Z Fold 8 cases once they finally come in the mail. Yeah, I've been waiting on these for a while. So it's your boy Bobby G. Thank you guys again. Peace.